today I want to be testing out and reviewing this Cosori 6-quart pressure cooker. So what exactly is a pressure cooker? Well, it's at least 7 things at once. It sautés, slow cooker, yogurt maker, just being a few of them. It cooks meals in minutes and it makes your one-pot meals come through. The different parts to this pressure cooker, we have the pressure cooking lid, the inner pot, the glass lid, sealing ring, the house of the pressure cooker, steaming rack, you get a recipe book, measuring cup, a spoon, and a ladle. Included in the box is your warranty, and you will get an extra year, which is a bonus year. We have the manual for the pressure cooker and the recipe book. Okay, so to open this, it's on lock right now. You simply turn and lift. So here we have our ladle, we have our spoon, our measuring cup, and our condensation cup. Here is the rubber seal. This is the steaming rack. Here we have the inner pot. Now this is inside the pot or the house. Here is the heating element. So there I have my water, and I'm actually going to be using some chana or garbanzo beans for this. Sometimes we forget to soak chana, so let's test it out and see if we have this, if we can skip the method of soaking chana before cooking. So let me cover this. And as I showed you, now there's already a seal in here. We just have another one, which is an extra. You line this up, open, and then you turn to lock it into place. So I'm going to select beans or chili, and I'm going to move that cook time by pressing cook time and then manually raising the time. I'm going to put it for 40 minutes, start, and after 40 minutes we'll come in and check it and see how the chana does. You guys see how it has plumped up? I'm going to check one of the grains now. It's very hot. It's cooked. It's like really cooked. I didn't soak it. As you guys saw, I put it in dry and it cooked in 40 minutes. The chana was cooked. So I really like this, that it can do that. Now imagine you don't have to soak your beans. You can throw everything in here. You can make chili in here. You can do everything in here. So I highly recommend this. You will find this pressure cooker in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is down below in the description box. So I'd like to say thank you so much to Cosori for sending me this pressure cooker. I highly recommend it, and I hope you guys check it out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys another day with another one of my reviews. Enjoy!